ma try me bluff. Chimi, me say bibini bluff ni broni bluff. A highly different. Momo de na mo kan broni ntiase o. Me ma try say leaders think and talk about solution, and citizens think and talk about the problems. One ti sabro fonase ni twi din nyina ne say citizens na te krom ho na omunim how na Ghana fom kom na omo ankasa citizens ni kom enti omo na hu problems na omaka na empanimfo no so adwene ho na omo solve problem no enti solving no talking kwasia ma me ma typical example Akufo-Addo ni nua Mahama Ajimifo no omo nim say baabi omo anyina duru ankokurafo a mo wawie mo wo ministers mo wo MPs nkwasiafo bebrebe amutwe omo ka bebrebe mo timi atena se mo ntimi anwene mo hu mo ntimi anwene ehu se mo na mo be che coronavirus ama Ghana fo na mo di mo chimi e de 2020 yetuama nana o 2020 yetuama nana ana ai Mahama afa yesisem Mahama afa ena mo de namusa na mo de ache coronavirus ama Ghana fo mo de ache corona na ma Ghana fo na bosomi aso na resource oba makwache virus no we jimia we ko school aduru say ya ofro ho ai minister ofro ho MP ofro ho president ofro ho leader unim say ai corona na transmit between two or more people and a group of people no maka nipa na boso bompe yo no mu de akire yo na cars ni ba yo obi an she face mask na makwache virus no na otwe miensa achi virus no e the resource no ba na Akufo-Addo na kwatena se wakoda sumye so akoda ho eno ne friend thinking no o ye leader wakoda no adwene no abetina ho no pagya microphone asi nanim eno ne friend talking no microphone na asi nanim mu amagimi na monte brofo no ase kire se talking and all talk about the solution say tesia no virus na banti ba san to airport and talking about solution no eno ne asem brofo na metwero ye na wonti ase no ankonwa sisi abonten so free na di free onu abusiamfo me emetna se na munni di na monchele abonten ka kwan hono no snow na gu ono snow nko aka kwan enti woni abusiamfo heaven na mu na metwa kire free fie na betna se na munni di ni nyina waba wiase aban na ebehwe heaven na mu na metwa kire na me hire obibi ase otie na ahụ na meche heaven na mu na enti enkwasiafo wi akwache virus na ma Ghana fo na wie o ena o ma betna aso microphone asi nanim me Akufo-Addo efiri neko mo bia me airport ni bio ai mo bia nko club bio mo bia nko party bio mo bia anya wedding bio and no he's talking about solution enti mo amonte brofo no a leader think and talk about solution and the people the citizen they criticize what you say the problems and the citizens talk about the problems. Jimmy akole gwanwie akosia kakro simultaneous equation algebraic expression I make why the subject so on table for kwasia matro simple English we are KG2 ni kinagati ni okrum akrati ase every 1 minute we are buying bass now sino glass in corner go for madida glass in anu anya ho akukwaduro ati ho mfifire enu abon Jimmy every 1 minute we are the police our friend so na money and ade na me sure bibi aso tie no be enti Ghana mpanifo no every 1 minute bia so no atosa so aban bass e kwan bia wa bia e one way ni ade ka bia nhia ne anko enti omo agimi na omakwache virus na ma Ghana fo awie ena oma betena se mo nkwasiafo mo every 1 minute bia aban bass ti wo na mo me say parliamentarians bebrebe we ya mugu hoyi mu MPs mu ministers mu anwan mu nyina Ajimifo nko a mu koye campaign me ka kire mu say mu be che virus na ama Ghana fo mu be ku Ghana fo every 1 minute be glass nko store dan bia wa bia glass nko say ye ni ye beto aba ni ye be nyamfa so afiri mu so a kan no kra de nkanye ye nso mu nyina mu ye nkwasiafo omo ambeba oman no mu nyina obi a ni aimless useless glass nko Grass nko still be a bia. Chefam. Ti won what you wuti passe. What you adwene bia ni akwache virus na mom woni mahamani akofo ado. Mache virus na magana fo na wi. Anu masen twam hu kude ma betina se. Ena mo de be she Ghana fo se omo an eche virus. Every 1 minute kwan bia wa bia one way. Nya bokwa unia. Yo, you be share. Every 1 minute ya virus na mu. Ma share Ghana ni bi no ma me ha no. Na me show bibi azo tie no kre. Enti no kre ni tie ya bibi ni ntimi tie no kre. This is why I am bigger than every TV station in Ghana. I'm bigger than every radio station in Ghana. Do you know why? Because the truth will always defeat lies. Maba life, Chiagana for Bodina Chiagana for.
The chamu now.
Yeah. Me chamu say glass in kwa. Find glass in the buono. Anyway, oya Ghana ni o. The system na ya dey. Ya adwuma na say nya adwuma.
24/7.
Oba kroma ya dum light da.
David.
Wa hu say obi atwe aba e bo akura da.
David. Kakilo ni e.
Woti kroma ye aba ntia nkura aka.
100%.
Emeboa.
100%.
Ofa me nam ka chance on kan kire o. Hwefo mo hu futuro kroma da.
That's it. Jonas, that's it.
Nyamisha. Have a nice day. Oya Ghana ni o. Enti broni kra na e ma me shout out no. Say hi to my friends. Say hi to my friends. Say hi to my friends. Say hi to my friends.
Hi from New York.
Yeah, she's from New York. Have a nice day. Bronina Phyllis, I'll say, oh my God, Jonas, you are the best. God bless you. And always the truth will defeat lies. No cray is powerful. And I may not get people to follow me because me cannot create me who I be need actually no create. Want me to no create. But the message will travel far. Glass and kwa. And in control fina no most of us your money every 1 minute we are by bus. And a Jonas Jenanum. Omontia bruch, they don't know. Kwasia do I crowd your buy the crab by crowd your same cranny can acquire $3,000. Huh? Why any trade, Massa? Nyamisha be what could you be a wako bano? A buying emission. Huh? Uko school free, BBA free, coronavirus test free. Yamunko wadro e free. Abi Nyamish snow or the car be pierce no ni na baby and nipa be fa nyina e free. And we pia car kwa mu snow nsi nyina free e free. Obawi ase aban na ehwe osa. Modi enkwasiafo 6 billion ministers me say krom ha New York fo nko adoso che Ghana fo nyina. Ukoka mo se aboa bi asore na is line kwasia. Ye ka population wa bruchira ye de omo ya wo omo ho. And I can't meme am nam krum ha menka krum population ye kan fa menka ho. Ghana ni bia ni ho ade ne ka ho. Africa ni bia ni ho ade ne ka ho. Asia ni bia ni ho ate krum ha ade ne ka ho. Ai obia ni ho ate continent bia India ni bia ate krum ha bia nka ho. Ye omo ya wo omo ha. And ye krum ti omo kra green card fo nko ano. Omo do so saying said ya ka Ghana ni Nigeria fo abom. Every 1 minute bia ban bass. And omo a ya be omo be fa omo be dan citizen o krum ha. Omo so kra do so che Nigeria fo ne Ghana fo nyina. Ti enyansa o. And I make sure say uko state back up. California every 1 minute be aban bass. Eso say Ghana be say yakabo miensa. Nipa back up na hwe so. Enti ade na mu no empanifo yenya mu jiminti boys and echi and obi age ne ayi no ne Bentley e ode abesi wo no. And no mia Bentley Bentley. Yes I enjoy the Bentley ni and any man sure na every 1 minute be abai mass na. Asia afuo mu agi sika dro current min to bi. Toyota Corolla na abeto. Eye ni nyina adwuma ene de aba. Ghana ni na hia me no tie onye Morocco ni o. Minim na owi ase da o. Enso onime because openocracy o se the system is working. Unhu futuro physical da. Unhu once na physical da. Unhu tatia physical da. Unhu oh nyamenshira broni. E kwan bia wa bia one way. Every 1 minute be out of my bus. Everyone Charlie me hu asem no kra me hu said e mean kan. Entinya say bi obi ta mahama na obi ta Akufo-Addo we want the best. We want na mun kan che Shetawale no nso wagime dodo. Mun kan che Shetawale no wagime dodo. Ah na wo bi a me ma promote me do ko wanim Shatawale me promote too. We are at me say Ghana penny for Jimmy. Anti musicians, you are the people who entertain the people in the country because monyono and send a good message. Uncle for this diasa at the entertaining said about ya or how no a common foot to any chrome can kindly showing heat in penny for my and reno. Nina chino monyum na release your muka crack and to the be a boda de lumba basso me bo a match the damn padune I mama min kayo mudia min to me boko jantry money the kaka basso. So my yard dear. And to one, I've been promoting you in America. I've been promoting you. I give you huge promotion because I own my company. I have friend AGM Records, a record label. And see, I go a lot of places and me promote too every now and then. And see, I buy it those no now. I buy it those no now. I did be a Okuma be any panel. I buy it those no now. Yo, have a good day. Yo, boys sitting now. Now, yeah, enjoy. See you later. Every 1 minute we are buying buses. Me now for any boys sitting now. I buy it your mood. Now me catch a glass in corner and go for them. Any part of the come from snow to Ghana. Cause I mean, you doom light bed yo. And so muna cry near doom. Me catch the brony crying. And I shall tell Obi I may promote to say. Aye, now no me call Beyonce wo fie. Beyonce say Ghana my friend Beyonce. Chrome my friend Beyonce. But I make a change in American Beyonce because I can Beyonce say ya Ubonse mo an be twerem control fi no I know I didn't din say an you pronounce no kroma your friend Beyonce say na spellings no kra tie ba bibi ni ntebro fu nti o kan Beyonce aw me ko no na we ni pa da sani krom glass nko on bisa say Ghana no why na big artist and I'm see Stonebwoy Shatawale say akwade Bola kan se ne si woni ane na me promote mo say anti o mo nkɔhwɛ internet nkɔbɔ Shatawale di nkɔhwɛ won so a na fe Shatawale na woni mo na Gucci ai me fe me say ai akwan krasini ba no kra friends ai woni krasini ba bi ye fe medium minimum di kra woni krasini ba bi pre ai ye friends ai ediom ho atem ena Yusufie ni o ai Gucci na mo shesha designer wear every 1 minute be aban ba na Gucci na mo she no ohun ni ani headquarters ni glass nko a omo mo ton Italian ni ade ni nyina na wa ha ni ade so enti my imagine kura say the don or a big artist you see ano mema musician ayifu amwo Ghana nyina event organizers amwo Ghana nyina am free event bia mema say the don abe perform what you say the event bia mbebo bia glass in kwa store bia glass in kwa from nipa da sanikro on say be ya be timi ama Ghana no anya recognition internationally glass in kwa for store wa nyina because Ghana mpanifo na disappointed footballer Eddie Ghana ekọ nanima omagu na chiska ni nyina dia jimifo nyantachi ne ho anwan ankwasiafo nko a ntesi anyom na betimi ne Ghana akọ nanim kakra because o hwe me say abibia wo Ghana bia eye ayi na beye Kwame Nkrumah kwan bia so wa bia wa we obeye we no mo abeton ni nyina na JJ Rollins so beye kakra National Theatre ne Accra Conference Center JJ Rollins ne besisi and every 1 minute be aban ba sinam and friends President Kufuor so be no maka kakra bi na nkwasiafo ya o maka ide o masa a twa kai amunye hu jimi nko ana da bia ma betan radio so yedede na mo che ministers ahodo da bia na mo ministers bebrebe na mo appoint mo na fufuo ne mo chese every 1 minute you are buying basinam mo be ya adwuma na ya to abama mo the purpose of the purpose of leadership is to protect the people, to build the nation, to create jobs. Udi majimino Adam Bukrafu hey Udi nyamu na majimia Ghana minister mami adie ba ko minister bia o Ghana ho Masi samu nafufuo ne mu nuanom nyina ne nua bi tifie jimifo bi kura na wakotam no no ama ne minister of wanwan plus deputy VAT ba ko on tia light be ntia water be ni TV ni toilet kura TV boso on to the anen to hwe jiminko a na omo de kai viet o kodi di kura na esa so wa no ma san petro omo se petro sa na 4 years na so masiafo masha mu be di abro me so me nya mo me ne mbe wu o internet na internet e free o glass nko go for store na won glass nko e free se mbe di abro na mo so mo nto mo anti coronavirus o sika maji ade na mde ye mo mfanye ehu e wo man no mo mfanye ehu message I every 1 minute be abai mas every 1 minute be abai mas every 1 minute be abai mas every 1 minute I thought that less than 1 minute abai na somo forever and ever abai na somo forever and ever every 1 minute be abai mas every 1 minute be abai every 1 minute be abai mas the system is working 24/7 every 1 minute be abai mas every 1 minute be abai mas because me chakra de beche Basia mu ntoka mefa nipa ebrebre etoka so ba duty eboso pampe basia fo nko a muji scan sinya no ma cha de ehu de mu scan ye majimi se di adan mesra mo se mum mo man no ahoto mama na me ka kire me tire obrofo na mo nti ase no mabo mo no citizens we talk about the problems and the leaders talk about solution. Basia, me say I time. Your friends saying, "Me feeling in the crowd." Kwame Nkrumah time. Na ni bie ni wiase. And so no create me bie factories. Glass nko a form nipa da sani krom suna to. And so futuro ni ha teche ni ha. Every 1 minute be abai bas na. Every 1 minute be abai bas na. Every 1 minute be a buying bass in them. Oh, Rasa, so every 1 minute be a snow them. I train them every 1 minute be a train them. Snow and a good for money. Kwame Nkrumah time na ni bie ni wiase. Enso what me bie factories, what me bie companies, what me and ni bie technology is the scientific method of making work easier and faster. And machine to Kwame Nkrumah time near the 5 days better 2,000 bloggers. See everything in the 5 days they 1 million blog because of technology. My Jimmy SN Reno. And the Brony Crum no da ye koya nim na hotel doors. Bibini dia ye koya nim na fenda on which their doors be company for ni na Jimmy. I come here I one way and nipa da sani ko fa bo free bibini crum and so ni crum no traffic. Say see akocha masama ni abu akwa ne ayi ko he poku ase. My Jimmy says me jam. No, I'm going to work on you hard. I will press you all to learn sense. And this amo se monye kroni area. Me nyamo na wo akofo ado wo ne ayi Mahama. Moti wo mo obi a former president Mahama wo be di president da nti nyansa da otim. Na mo ye campaign ahodo akese na mo sisa dom na mo de mo magudam na mo di Ghana fo abro ade na mo koye campaign man sisa mo mani a kire mo nso anya corona ni bi. Kafom ni pa da sani kro. Kafom gata bia ni ansunso bia betofom bia beyira. Siafo makoche corona na magana fo ni nyina amagana fo ni nyina wi amuwie amabetna na the protocol of hwan kwasi abrofo nyanu ne hia monye kro ni ye. Enipa gufie yenya adwumanye o na akohwe obi krom aye benya viet ba ko pesika betimi asi school dan na ni krom enkrate form ebi de da form apemfo wo no mu gu form no hospital bed obi kura nyantoma na ode ase form me se bibini ya wo bibini krom a automatically ese heaven no ho ampa so kobi because wo ba wi ase no kura wo bresa akopem tama de be wu afiri wi ase what you say. Yeah, just say, why ya crown crow what 3 years no? And which then 2 pie chance in glass crowd siwana okopaya. Ye be dumwa maybe sa kwan say ya bo akra okroma da o si da bi. Minim no wi ase da o min kan nche no. Why Ghana ni glass nko a. Enti Ghana fo no omo magimi no. Ah mo se mu di matema previews no. You defeat. And ye be ka bi mami na previews because no amount of lies can deceive or can overtake truth. Upa chantrochiro bia for 20 years. Nada krope onti nokre. Wachi nokre afi okabi ohun kra na ho ye ne. Until the truth will always defeat lies, which is why I'm the greatest and will still be the greatest. Ama Akufo-Addo Mahama obi asuro me, ministers in Kwasiafo ni MPs woni na obi asuro me, because the messages get straight to them and they are afraid of me because of the truth, and the truth shall set you free. Omajimi Kwasiafo na no ma dadi una mu amonti ase na no onim obu dim panifo atem na no ya, they have proved to you every 1 minute we are buying bus na mu ayeko parliament mu hu die si ye say even enkukoma kura na wodi omagu nkukọ buo nu no omo nkontokwa enkukoma o twafom nipa da shani krom sino nko na atagu apra ni nyina na hwefom ntemu na matena se free ni ade glass nko. My friend, I'm not going to leave them, because most me say acha 10 years time, 20 years time. Now Akufo-Addo oti acha akonyam ti said the President Kufuor ba JJ Rawlings ayi no ayi na not ya akonyam no why mere wo obewu enti bosi a oji ne nyina next 15 years because you can never deceive nature. It's realistic fact. Obenyini what you say obenyini enti yentra ho no mu nyina manyini no mu that when ebe ye kro ni ye da ben na kro ni be ye who is coming to develop the kro am obi kro mu hwem nipa da sani kro mu hwe we nyina kwan no nipa na ye boys ye gu am na mfo ne omo se omo ye omo solve problem ye nipa just give instructions, leader just talk solution keke ukasa kasa keke Akufo-Addo kasa keke o kasa keke say she said the ultimate kasa say obi anko bie club no obi amie we a leader, you don't do anything yana akoswa no mano just talk kasa keke say sika ye je no road where sika ye aji na every na koye ni bio ye de koye Ghana school nyina every na koye de koto ball aka besiwo it said the BC every 1 minute bi nipa na team nipa na de ball aka na besiwo ye de koto just talk keke Sikani the top ball like I employ Ghana for we are creating 2 million jobs for Ghanaians. Just talk, leader. It's your job to talk. Talk solution. My Jimmy Dodo. Nipa na te ball like more deba. Every 1 minute be a ball like mu. Ball la be simantamo be a best son in the year. What ya? Just talk keke. The people are there. They need job. They are talking. They are shouting. We need jobs. We need jobs. Anunti de biomunam so suko u Libya kwaso Jimmy. Monwene. Nam ko tell parliament what do you think about? What do you think? My Jimmy Dodo he nipa da sani ko mudi agura beda form. Ana me na ho jiro he form. Ka kwan na down he form. Snow na ato na broni apia snow ni nyina afi akoboa no. Ewo ayika kwan no ba bi anka bibini de gata beto no. Kromu agata ni ho de ato ano. Eniye eno de ato no no abi spaces atum se na be ya nipa benya chance awuram na every 1 minute bi ode ball aka na mu sisa ball every 1 minute bi ya ball aka na mu sisa ball nipa na eye enti just talk say road work ka ba ko kofa ba 5 billion 1 billion sika na moje na every na koye ni bio ye ji sika na ekro ni every kwan bi ya wa we kwan bi ya wa we VA minister bia and use V8 that dana Mahama time near use no and V8 that dana buy out tomorrow no and one will be a use what you say every 1 minute be a ministers no you are because obi anya hwe wo ho one kasa woman instructions e be ya adwuma you don't need no minister to so ahead then Jimmy Nkwa e kwa bi da bi e wa we yentra ma munyimi sanko what you say because me se bosi amogene na bia we are going to suffer for it. When you put the sani come here from just give instructions kasa keke every nekosikani nyina mogia ye de beye sei asofofo na mo so ya azan no kwahia krom ha mesi suno ebeto sesi ame no kasa firi obi o wa brochire na bisa ne say on check da be na suno be sa to da be na wi abeto o mia ne phone so broni be ma days ni nyina up to be 6 months de be si bia broni be ka kire o phone so e kwa bia da bia wan we de be si bia so nyame nkasa nkire broni da suno beto time beto nyina be hu no o phone so time wi abebo time ansuo beto nyina be hu o phone so nyame nkasa nkire broni da enso onim ne nyina bisa obi oti kroma bia se megu ne phone so a ensuo bebo ma ni nyina broni be hu nyame nkasa nchiro bia munya jimi no na munwu asore no momfa me bia company mesi nhyira bia ni wiase aso chi kusora no pakwa adwuma na boso me dia katua. That is the only blessing in the world. That is the only blessing in the world. Dia ka bia bagia bro mu nso bagia abainfo nko ni nyina yankwasase me doesn't work like that, man. It's all lies, man. I gotta tell you the truth. Shafam nipa da sanikro. Glass in kwana ko for mali. Glass in kwana. But see me to me mom pie that I can use myself as an example. I've never prayed before, but I'm a millionaire, man. I try to live simple life, but I'm still a millionaire. I have the experience in Ghana. Ghana actually come I struggle, and I know Ghana more than any president, any leader, because me see the chinim class e kuro bia ni Ghana mingura muda. I did that market center. I've been hustling in Ghana, and I've come to somebody's land. E kura min frimo. Abedani successful man. Abedani dia successful man. And the minimum cars you can easily obeto Jonas Mintimento. Samson will be or take chrome ha when you me ya only me answer can be any viasi or to chrome and because the system is working 24/7. The system itself will make you rich. Every 1 minute to be a virus. Every 1 minute to be a virus. Make us a me chakra dear Bessa. Charlie, I gotta go, man. Aye, Kakrana me abremunaye. Your was when tea when him so nanti abebre or dinkonya we nyina abo no dia you no dia nkonya special way tina so free and nko 40 teso and ye no that's be asiwo and ye special way of nkonya him so bebre na socket na san bobo abo anua na se no charge your phone free ba bia nam bia free wifi ba bia charge your phone free him so nanti abebre obehia konya so atena se free we nyina special way of akonya ni bio tena so free we nyina special way of akonya tena so free onim se nipa da sani nanti obebre na hwefom nipa da sani krom hwefom challenge am show bibia se otie no kre enka say straight up me do bibia se obetie no kre eni mu hia nyame hiro bibia ade bia o wiase bia nipa na ye nyame firi wie mu meye hwe ma broni mene nete ni krom boys ni nyina me namfofo me ne yire me ne ba me ne ba bia nti da bia me nam sa efri na kokura se sia se da be ya mbaji adinti me wo companies all the nationwide. And I say that don't kobo shows. That was nationwide. You took quite kobo show tambia. Until I told that meet course ano. And you see ano you kobo baby ever kobo show near the adina. Make sure the abremo. But I said to say that don't you be a baby amun share. Said a ya. Me conversano. Say on future African stars now. On also be in a kumam. At their future one of my channel. Go said a ya Ghana will get international recognition because in 24 the any two almost disappointed that they are all useless. What you say? Until I was say now baby and they support you. I'm sure have a beautiful weekend. Stay blessed. Bye bye. The system is working 24/7. I'm catch us a glass in corner and go for madam. Glass in car. Glass in car. Glass in car. It's straight up.